you all a Merry Christmas. Now Christmas is all about events, gatherings and a lot of celebrations, and one would love to look and feel their best, isn't it? So today I'm here at the Chosen store in Egmore to shop some of my favorite products. So come, let me take you through some of the most interesting and amazing products across skincare, hair care and body care brands available here at the Chosen store. Now, Chosen Store is your one-stop destination if you want to start managing your hair, skin or body goals on your own. And one of the most unique aspects of the store is that all the products here are curated by dermatologists and are backed by years of testing and research. Now, another unique feature of the store is that it has a barcode scanner. Come, let me show you how it works. Now, all you have to do is just scan the code and it will give you access to all the information that is related to a particular product. So my first pick today is this DIY peel called Light Routine Soft, and I have had some amazing results. Light Routine Soft is a safe and effective skin exfoliation for beginners. The active ingredient is salicylic acid, which is proven to work for acne control and skin brightness. So another product that I want to mention here is this Ice Lolly. Now this is a companion product to the Light Routine series, and it is recommended to use it to cool down your skin after a gentle exfoliation peel. Now my second pick would be something I'm genuinely excited about. Now it is the LED mask. I have heard so much about this product and I am finally going to give it a shot. Now my third pick is going to be a sunscreen. Now I can't even begin to emphasize how important it is to use sunscreen on a daily basis. Whether you are indoors or you're stepping outdoors, wearing sunscreen is a must. Now it not only protects your skin from pigmentation, harmful UV rays, but it also prevents your skin from aging. Now the sunscreen I'm going to be picking up today is the HelioCare 360-degree water gel sunscreen. Now if you're looking for a product that works well for your skin, hair, nails, and if you're someone who's a fitness enthusiast and is looking for a post-workout drink, then this product called Tor Bright is just for you. And it is going to be my fourth pick of the day. Now because of our lifestyle and requirements these days, we are into a lot of facials, bleaching creams, topical steroids, which in turn leads to skin damage and skin sensitivity. So if you want to repair your skin from all these damages and recover it, then you can recover with Red Coverage. Now my sixth pick from the store is Tor Mighty. Now as we start aging, the collagen production in our body starts to decrease. So if you're someone who's looking to boost collagen in your body, then this product is an ideal pick.
Ma'am, also we do have this gift card worth of 1,000 rupees for this festival season, ma'am.
Okay.
So you can purchase it and then you can gift it to your friends, ma'am, and they can redeem it for 1,000 rupees in our store, ma'am.
Oh, okay, sure. I would love to get one.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you.
Also, you'll get this Ice Lolly as a complimentary, ma'am, for your Light Routine Soft, ma'am.
Oh,
so
wow, that's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, this you can use after the light routine, ma'am.
Right.
You can store it in the fridge. So
Okay.
you can store it any side of the fridge.
Okay.
Do not freeze it, ma'am. So
All
after
right.
the light routine, you can just roll it on the skin for the soothing purpose, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That's so kind of you. Thank you. So that's it guys, I am done with my shopping. Now I'm going to be doing a detailed review on all these products very soon, so stay tuned for that and do like, share and subscribe to the channel.